How to change Brawl Stars age. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to change Brawl Stars age. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open Brawl Stars application on your device. If you are creating a new account and opening the game for the first time, then you will be asked to enter your username and select your age before entering the game. However, if you have logged in previously and now want to change your age, then tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen. Here you will see the settings option, tap on that. Now go ahead and find the help and support option and tap on that. In the interface that you will be led to, tap on the account option and then tap on the messages option on the top right of your screen. Under the Contact Us tab, you will see the option for Leave a Message. Tap on that and now in the text box that appears, go ahead and enter your query and make sure to be informative and descriptive while typing in your issue. For quicker responses and further, tap on the Submit the Message button and wait for a reply from the support team of Brawl Stars. And this is how you can change Brawl Stars age. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.